Hello, students. Welcome to 12th Commerce Accountancy class. I am Sandeep Gohar. Today, I'll teach you some important items to be recorded in the income and expenditure account, which you should know about that. Okay, so we'll start now. The first one is that is entrance fee, or it is called admission fee. Now, entrance fee or admission fee. Okay, sorry. Whenever the member wants to get membership of any NPO, then they have to pay some fees, and that would be as called as admission fee or entrance fee. Now this is an income for the NPO, and it will come year by year whenever the members renew the membership. They have to pay the fees every year, so that is revenue receipt, and that's why it would be noted on the income side of the income and expenditure account. Okay, so this is about the admission fee or entrance fee. Whatever it is given to you, just record it on the income side in the income and expenditure account. Now the next is life membership fees. लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस, नाम से ही मालूम पड़ता है, इट इज लाइफ टाइम, इट इज फीस फॉर लाइफ टाइम. सो वंस यू पे, then there is no need to pay. That is called life membership fees. Okay, there will be lifetime membership. So it means that only once you are paying, so after that there is no need to pay. So that is what? Yes, that is capital receipt for the NPO. It is not a revenue receipt because it will not come year after year. Okay, only 1 year it will come, then after not come. Okay, only once it will come to us. So in that way, that is the income which is of capital nature. So it is capital receipt, and that's why whenever it is capital receipt, we have to record it balance sheet, of course. Okay, on the liability side we have to record it. Okay, so it will come in the balance sheet, life membership fees. Okay, नेक्स्ट. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है? स्पेशल रिसीट्स. अभी ये कौन सी चीज है? व्हाट इज दिस? स्पेशल रिसीट्स मीन्स व्हाट? Whenever the NPO gets occasional income. Okay, occasional means once in a year, every year, once in a year, which is not from the routine activity, but some other activities from which is also occasional. Okay, which is also some special kind, and in that case they are receiving some receipts from that, then it is called special receipts. So remember the word occasional. Okay, occasionally the NPO is receiving an income. So in that case, what is that? That is called special receipts. Now one more thing I want to tell you. Whenever they are receiving some special receipts, there would be some expenditure also concerning with that topic. Okay, so what we have to do? Yes, we have to record it in the income and expenditure account, because it will come to the NPO in a regular period of time. Okay, so we will record it in the income and expenditure account. Okay, now which side? The question is that on the income side we will record the income, and on the expenditure side we will record the expense. So my answer is no, we do not do that in this kind of cases. What we have to do? I'll give you an example for that. Suppose one thing is given to you, annual dinner receipt. ओके, एनुअल डिनर रिसीट, यानी कि साल में एक बार कोई ऐसा गेट टुगेदर करते हैं, उसमें डिनर पार्टी रखते हैं. तो डिनर पार्टी में क्या है कि कंट्रीब्यूशन करना पड़ेगा मेंबर्स से. ठीक है, सपोज वो जो रिसीट है वो 1,00,000 रुपीज है. सभी मेंबर के पास से कलेक्शन किया, और वो कलेक्शन कितना है? हाउ मच कलेक्शन कम्स? यस, इट इज ऑफ 1,00,000 रुपीज. सो दैट इज annual dinner party receipt. Okay, now if there is party, then there would be expenditure also. Okay, खाने का खर्चा तो होगा ना. So that is an expenditure. So annual dinner expenditure. Suppose it is 80,000. कुल मिला के 80,000 का खर्चा हुआ. ठीक है. Now see, 1 lakh is receipt, 80,000 is expenditure. Okay. So there is surplus because income is greater than this expenditure. Okay. So there is surplus. So whenever there is surplus, record this both on the income side. And if in opposite condition, means expenditure is more than income, then there would be deficit. So record it on expense side. Okay. So like that. Suppose this is an income and expenditure account. Okay. This is expense side and this is income side. I will write in short manner. Okay. Now say what? Here there is surplus. So how to write? First of all, write down annual dinner receipt. Okay. That is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh receipt. Okay. Minus expenditure. That is what? It is 80,000. Okay. And the difference will come in the outer column. Okay. This type of mentioning we have to do. Okay. We have to mention like that. So that is the must thing whenever occasional, means any special receipts is given to you, any special expenditure is given to you, then we have to record like that. हमें ऐसा record करना है. ठीक है. So this is the special receipts. Okay. Now next. अभी दूसरा क्या है? डोनेशन है. डोनेशन. So there are two types of donation I have told you already. Okay, general and special. If it is general donation, then record it in the income and expenditure. Okay, but if the donation is of special type, means if there is any specific purpose, then record it in the balance sheet. Okay, on the liability side. So this is one thing also. Number 5, legacy. Legacy means will of some, we say, deceased person. Okay. कोई मरता हुआ आदमी जो विल लिखता है, प्रॉपर्टी लिखता है, भाई ये मेरी प्रॉपर्टी इसके नाम. ठीक है. So that is called a will. And in accounting that is called a legacy. Legacy means that will is named to any NPO. वो NPO के नाम कर देता है. So NPO के लिए वो क्या होता है? Legacy. अगर वो जो डोनर है उसने कोई स्पेसिफिकेशन नहीं किया है, then we will write it in the income and expenditure. लेकिन if any specification is given to the NPO that yes, you have to use this property in this kind of manners. Okay. So in that case, it is a special fund. So we have to record it in the liability side. Okay. Next, number 6, sale of used sports material. Sports material. Now there would be two things given: opening stock of that and closing stock of that. Okay. If any stock is given, that we have to record in the balance sheet. Okay. Now I have told you the material consumption in the previous video. Okay. So from that calculation you can find the purchase of that. Okay. That is called material consumption, and from that way you can find the material consumption. And we know that where to record the material consumption. Yes, it is revenue expenditure. So record it in the debit side of income and expenditure account. Okay. Now here the topic is sale of used sports material. If it is sold out, then what we have to do? Full amount will be recorded in the income and expenditure? No. The difference amount will have to record in the income and expenditure account. Okay, suppose the book value is rupees 20,000. Okay, and the sale value is rupees 15,000. Okay, so here see we can see that yes, there is loss because the book value is 20,000 and the sale value is 15,000. Okay, so there is loss. How much loss? 5,000. So if there is loss, then record it on the debit side, means on the expenditure side in the income and expenditure account. Okay, and in the opposite condition, if there is profit, then record on the income side. Okay, so this is the thing that we have to keep in our mind whenever we are preparing the income and expenditure account. Okay, this is all for today and all for in this video. We will see the next in the next video. Okay, see you. Thank you very much. Bye.